Yeah, but look.
There.
Okay, there you go.
I'm not even speaking words. He actually says real words.
Here, Braxton. Take a picture. Look, Braxton. Oh yeah, here, you want to take a small video?
Yeah.
If we put more seasoning, if we put more anything in here that we want to mix into our meat to marinate it, we're gonna also deep fry it, right? Excuse me. We're gonna deep fry this. Not deep fry it, we're gonna pan sear it, and you'll see that too. But I always like to marinate my meat. I marinate it with onions, jalapenos, green onions, red onions, white onions, and then all of the peppers that Caleb mashed up here, which is like, I think like 8 different kinds of peppers that we boil, de-seed. We keep some of the seeds, we mash it up as tiny as we can with a knife, not a blender. We don't use blenders here. We're the blenders. And then once we get it in our meat, then we're gonna put our fingers in and kind of mix it like that. And we want to mix whatever we're putting new in it, we want to mix it real good. Oh, and then of course chicken bouillon. And then we flip it, mix it. And then grab it, flip it, mix it. And you want all the flavors to be mixed in real good. All of these, the chilies, the chili powders, the salts, everything. We want everything to be nice and mixed real good. Because not only is this meat going to be used for our pozole, but it can also be used to make like our own carnitas. Like, you know, we can make our own tacos with this. So the meat has multiple purposes once you do it like this. All right, that's it.
Okay, the oil from the fat of the pork was cooked in here and cooked down. And you got the pork over there. Fat. And the pork mixture we have in here. And we're just gonna let it cook for a little bit. Sometimes you only are able to do half our time. Got the soup over here cooking. So we're gonna let it cook, mix it up some. It's on high right now.
So this is the finished product. All the kids helped me chop everything. This is our pozole. Okay, this is Caleb's bowl. From the bottom, all the meat, the peppers.
Can you please get water, please? For me. I'll get it.
There you go, there it is. And then we're gonna take it over here. And as you can see, we have all the fixings right here. Some cabbage.
You shush.
Some onions.
Yeah, everybody can have whatever they want. Okay, squeeze of lime. A little bit of salt on the top. And that's it. And then we also made a plate for all of our family members.
Sorry, Daddy.
This is yours, sis. All right.